Hello students, now today we discuss the solution of a differential equation. Solution of a differential equation for the number of an arbitrary constant. Now one arbitrary constant have one order of differential equation. One arbitrary constant have one order of differential equation. For example, y equal to mx. Y equal to mx. This is a equation of one arbitrary constant. Now differentiate this equation. Dy by dx equal to m. Dy by dx is equal to m, and find the value of m. Now put the value of m in the equation. Y is equal to x dy by dx. This is the solution of differential equation. This is the solution of differential equation. Now such that example of an other equation have two arbitrary constant. Have two arbitrary constant. Y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to minus a sin x plus b cos x. Again we differentiate with respect to x, and d2y upon dx square equal to minus a cos x plus minus b sin x, and minus as common, a cos x plus b sin x, that's equal to minus y and d2y upon dx square plus y equal to 0. This is the differential equation of second order. This is the differential equation of second order in which the equation has two arbitrary constants. It means the number of arbitrary constant be n. So therefore n order of differential equation be found. Clear? Okay. In the previous equation, y is equal to x dy by dx and d2y upon dx square plus y equal to 0. This is the equation of first order and this is the equation of second order. It means this equation have one arbitrary constant and this equation have two arbitrary constant. If the number of arbitrary constant is depend upon the number of order of differential equation, in any equation n arbitrary constant be present, then we find the differential equation have n order differential equation. Clear? So this is the second order differential equation. So it has two arbitrary constant. Okay. Now the general and particular solution, general and particular solution of the differential equation. Now the general and particular solution. Now the general and particular solution of the differential equation. The general solution of a differential equation is relation between the dependent and independent variables. The general solution of a differential equation is related to the dependent and independent variable. Independent variable having n arbitrary constant. Having n arbitrary constant. The solution obtained from the differential equation of general, the solution obtained from the general solution. The solution obtained from the general solution in giving the particular values as these arbitrary constant is called the particular solution. So the particular solution and the general solution have particular solution is obtained from general solution and the general solution is obtained from the differential equation. Form of the solution of a differential equation. Now y equal to v power x plus 1 such that y double dash minus y dash equal to 0. Differentiate the given equation with respect to x. Differentiate the given equation with respect to x. Now dy by dx is equal to e power x plus 0 and d2 y upon dx square equal to e power x. So put this value in this equation and d2y upon dx square, put this value of d2y upon dx square and dy by dx in this equation and verify the result. So e power x minus e power x, that's equal to 0. So this equation we verify the result, verify the given function, implicit or explicit, be a solution of differential equation, be a solution of differential equation. Now y equal to e power x plus 1, this is the function, and differentiate this function with respect to x with the required condition y double dash and y dash with 1 or 2 times. So dy by dx equal to e power x and d2y upon dx square is also e power x. Now put this value in the given differential equation to verify the condition. Clear? Next question. Y equal to x square plus 2x plus c. Such that y dash minus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation, this is the function, and this is the differential equation. Now verify that these differential equation differentiate the function with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. Differentiate the function with respect to x, 2x plus 2. Put this value in the differential equation, in this differential equation. So y dash 2x plus 2 minus 2x minus 2 equal to 0, and so that's equal to 0. Now verify that LHS equal to RHS, LHS equal to RHS. Clear? when the function of differential equation are given, then we differentiate the function with required order of differentiation. That value we put in the given differential equation, that are verified that the value are correct. Next, y equal to x sin x such that xy dash equal to y plus x under root x square minus y square, x not equal to 0, x greater than y, x less than minus y. Differentiate the given function dy by dx. First function, differentiation of sin x into 1, dy by dx x cos x plus sin x, x cos x plus sin x. Clear? Now putting the value of y dash and y in the given differential equation. So x into y dash x cos x plus sin x is equal to y x sin x plus x under root x square minus x square sin square x square cos x plus x sin x is equal to x sin x plus x square under root 1 minus sin square x. So x sin x plus x square cos x. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So the given differential equation are verified. Clear? Okay. Thank you.